welcome to Classy Files. Now, I hope this video is super easy to understand and that it saves you some money. So let's get into it. Okay guys, we will start by taking off any jewelry like rings or bracelets. And then after that, we will be using a nail file to file our nails, and you can give them whatever shape you want. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and give them a square shape. This is my favorite shape for my nails. And then just in the ends, I'm going to file them down a little bit so that they're not sharp. Yes, I will do that for all of my nails of my left hand. And guys, I forgot to tell you, but all of the things that I am using, I will go ahead and have a list of them down in the description box. You can go and check them out and get every single thing you need. Next, I will use this brush to brush away any nail dust. And then I will be using this manicure bowl, but don't worry, if you don't have one, you can use a container, just whatever works. And then after that, I will be using some hand soap, applying it in the manicure bowl, and then applying some warm water, and then letting my hands soak in there for about 5 minutes. Next, I will take my hands out of the water and I will be using this cuticle pusher to push my cuticles, and I will do that for all of the nails of my left hand. After that, I will be using a cuticle nipper, but here's the thing, I will not be clipping away my cuticles. The thing is that I was taught that if you do this, you are in risk of causing infection. So I actually use a cuticle nipper to clip away my hardened skin that's at the tip of my fingers. So that way it leaves them feeling super soft. Once I'm done taking away these hardened parts of my skin, I will go ahead and soak my hand again in warm water for about 3 to 5 minutes. And then I will be using this pumice stone. Now do not be deceived, even though it doesn't look like the regular pumice stone, it is one. It's just made specifically for hands. But if you don't have one like this, do not worry, you can use any other pumice stone. So what you want to do is to rub the pumice stone against the parts where you had that hardened skin, just to make your fingers be even softer. Once you're done using the pumice stone with your left hand, you want to repeat all the steps that we did for the left hand, but now on the right hand. I already finished all these steps with both of my hands. Here they are, looking way better already. The next step is to use some exfoliant in your hands. Now I bought this exfoliant, but don't worry, if you don't have one at home, you can go ahead and make one. And all you're gonna need is some sugar and almond oil. Just mix them together and voila, you have your own DIY super easy homemade exfoliant. Once you're all done, go ahead and rinse your hands and then just dry them out with a towel and apply some hydrating lotion on your hands. You're gonna love the fact that your hands feel super soft. Next, you will need some acetone, a tiny container for the acetone, and a brush. What we want to do is apply some of this acetone on our nails so that, if there was any hand lotion residue there, we can take it away and then proceed with painting our nails. Girls, I am loving these nail polishes. They're the Miracle Gel nail polish. Just letting you know. So I will go ahead and apply 2 coats for each nail. And then after that, once it's all dried out, you want to seal it with some top coat or just some clear nail polish. And here's one thing, what I've found out is that if you work in one hand first and let it fully dry and then work on the other hand, you prevent a lot of messes from happening. So try it out, might work for you. Alright girls, this is the final result. I hope you love it. Alright guys, this is gonna be it for today. I hope this is super helpful, and if you think this video can be helpful to somebody else, please do not hesitate and share it with them. And thank you so much for watching, and remember, if you have a case for the classy files, tell me about it in the comments. Bye! Getting the best manicure ever. Oh, you need my other hand? Oh my gosh, she was so mean to me.
She was like literally telling me that all of my Instagram posts are like super dumb and like super selfish.
Just so not true. I mean, she's
totally the worst person I've ever met.
You know, she's so not legit, so don't even talk to her, girl. Click on the right to watch another one of my videos, or click on the CF logo to subscribe. Thank you for getting back to classy with me. Bye!